Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most groundbreaking innovations that are shaping the future. From advanced augmented reality glasses to eco-friendly locomotives, and from high-performance 3D printers to revolutionary smart devices, we've got an exciting lineup of cutting-edge technologies that you won't want to miss. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the incredible world of innovation together. TCL RayNeo X2, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform. The RayNeo X2 are the first augmented reality glasses capable of functioning independently. Equipped with a 16-megapixel camera, a SLAM system, and gesture recognition, these glasses allow users to capture and interact with their surroundings. The RayNeo X2 offers features such as smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, picture and video recording, and access to a library of augmented reality apps and games. Stylish and lightweight, the RayNeo X2 comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, a charging cord, and a case. Controlled via voice or touch, these glasses support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. They are available on Indiegogo for $699. Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro redefines wagons with its 500-watt electric propulsion motor, enabling effortless movement on any surface. Ideal for outdoor activities such as camping, gardening, and shopping, it boasts a 200-liter capacity and supports loads up to 132 pounds. The drop-down tailgate simplifies loading and unloading, and the wagon can be folded for easy storage. The frame is built with durable, lightweight materials, ensuring both robustness and ease of handling. An optional folding table accessory enhances its utility for tasks like picnics or workspace setup. Additionally, it includes a built-in USB charging port for powering small devices while on the go. Available on Amazon for $449.99, the Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is a convenient, versatile, and innovative choice for modern outdoor needs. Totam Planter. The Totam Planter is a modular vertical gardening system utilizing hydroponic and aeroponic technology for efficient plant growth. Featuring LED grow lights and app-based control, it offers a clean and innovative gardening experience. The Smart Grow Bar provides optimal light spectrums for healthy plant development, while the app allows users to monitor plant health, set watering schedules, and receive growth tips. The Totam Planter also includes interchangeable modules for growing microgreens, flowers, or larger plants, making it versatile for any gardening need. Additionally, its compact and stackable design maximizes space efficiency, making it ideal for urban gardeners seeking convenience, sustainability, and style. Ugot Robotic Kit. The Ugot Robotic Kit offers a creative and educational experience, allowing users to build 7 different robots, each with unique functionalities. Its modular architecture supports extensive customization with third-party parts and open-source hardware, enabling users to design their robots to meet specific needs. The kit includes a high-performance control unit equipped with a CPU, GPU, and NPU chips, which provide robust support for advanced features such as bionic mobility, speech recognition, gesture detection, and object tracking. Additionally, the kit comes with detailed instructional materials and tutorials, making it suitable for beginners and experienced builders alike. Users can program the robots with Python or a user-friendly graphical interface, ensuring accessibility for a wide range of skill levels. The Ugot Robotic Kit is also compatible with various sensors and actuators, allowing for endless possibilities in robot customization. Available on Kickstarter for $256, the Ugot Robotic Kit is an exceptional tool for hands-on learning, innovation, and creativity. Doppelmayr Garaventa Ropeways. Doppelmayr Garaventa excels in ropeway and people mover solutions, with over 15,400 installations in 96 countries. Their offerings include cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, and funiculars, tailored to diverse needs such as ski resorts, urban mobility, amusement parks, and material handling. Known for their innovation, quality, and eco-conscious designs, Doppelmayr Garaventa provides comprehensive services from planning to maintenance. Installation costs range from $1 million to $100 million depending on the project. Airspeeder Mk4. The Airspeeder Mk4 is a groundbreaking hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft, reaching speeds of up to 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds. It boasts a range of 300 kilometers on a single charge and a lightweight design of 950 kilograms, delivering up to 1,340 horsepower. Designed for motorsport enthusiasts, the Mk4 combines cutting-edge aerodynamics with advanced control systems, making it highly maneuverable and efficient. Its carbon fiber structure ensures durability and reduces drag, while the hydrogen-electric powertrain offers zero emissions, promoting sustainability in racing. The Airspeeder Mk4 features state-of-the-art safety systems, including collision avoidance sensors and autopilot capabilities for enhanced reliability. Set to revolutionize motorsport in 2024, this aircraft paves the way for an entirely new racing category. Prices range from $1.5 million to $1.7 million, depending on customization and additional features. Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro merges digital and physical realms, introducing a new era of spatial computing, featuring micro-OLED screens with ultra-high resolution, dual-chip architecture for seamless performance, advanced eye tracking, and spatial audio. It delivers immersive experiences such as virtual collaboration, 3D memory playback, gaming, and entertainment on an endless canvas. The Vision Pro supports a wide range of professional applications, enabling multitasking with multiple virtual monitors and high-quality video conferencing. Equipped with a robust battery that provides up to 6 hours of continuous use and the ability to connect to external power, the Vision Pro ensures uninterrupted operation. Its intuitive controls respond to gestures, voice commands, and eye movements, offering a futuristic and user-friendly interface. Running on Vision OS, the Vision Pro is compatible with a growing ecosystem of apps and is priced at $2,999, making it a revolutionary device for personal and professional use. Pesa H2 Loco. The Pesa H2 Loco is an innovative hydrogen fuel cell-powered shunting locomotive. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour and the ability to pull up to 3,200 tons, it operates for 15 hours on a 650 kilowatt power system. Featuring autonomous driving and anti-collision systems, it is ideal for eco-friendly operations in ports and terminals. Scheduled for release in 2024, the Pesa H2 Loco is priced at approximately $5 million. EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower stands out with optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS for precise lawn mowing. It includes a yard sweeper kit to clear debris and can operate without boundary cables. Controlled via the EcoFlow app, it offers features such as adjustable cutting height and location tracking. Priced at $2,649 or $3,199 with the lawn sweeper kit, the EcoFlow blade is an innovative lawn care solution. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X1 is an industrial-grade 3D printer with a high-resolution LCD screen, a large build volume, and a print speed of up to 180 millimeters per hour. Designed for professionals, it supports a wide variety of resins, ensuring versatility for different projects, from prototyping to end-use production. It includes advanced features like a high-definition camera for real-time monitoring, a responsive touchscreen interface for intuitive operation, and a dual cooling system to maintain optimal printing conditions. The Apex Maker X1 also offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to remotely manage and monitor print jobs. It supports automatic resin refill, minimizing interruptions during long prints. Early bird pricing on Kickstarter starts at $3,999, making it a competitive choice for those seeking precision and reliability in industrial-grade 3D printing. Thank you for joining us as we explored these incredible innovations. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and it's thrilling to see how these products are making our lives smarter, more efficient, and more connected.